Question number 1. A fixed beam is a beam whose end supports are such that the end slopes remains. Answer is D. Question number 2. Young's modulus of elasticity for a perfectly rigid body is. Answer is A. Question number 3. When a shaft of circular cross section is subjected to equal and opposite end couple whose axes coincide with the axis of shaft is said to be. Answer is C. Question number 4. The loss of strength in compression with simultaneous gain in strength in torsion due to overloading is known as. Answer is C. Question number 5. A material capable of absorbing large amount of energy is known as. Answer is A. Question number 6. A phenomenon under which the strain is material varies under constant stress is known as. Answer is A. Question number 7. Rivets are made of. Answer is D. Question number 8. The compression members tend to buckle in direction of their. Answer is A. Question number 9. If a column failed due to buckling, it is likely to be. Answer is B. Question number 10. Which section is normally preferred for an eccentrically loaded strut? Answer is C.